Hello everyone! Let's paint a sketch of the evening sky. I've got only the necessary colors on my palette. I avoid those that are not needed now. The horizon? Just one line gives a sense of space. The sky isn't one color, it's warmer and brighter, closer to the horizon. You need to compare color and tone. It's better to start with the darkest part, from the top of the canvas. Clouds are darker than the sky in the evenings. Most of the work is with the palette. I mixed cobalt violet light with cobalt green light to get nice gray color for the clouds. You can also use other mixtures of opposite colors. It could be emerald green with madder lake or cobalt green deep with cadmium purple. Try different mixtures. It's worth making gray color rich and complex anyway. I'm leaving the gaps between the clouds unpainted for now. At the beginning, I use more saturated colors than in reality. The colors will become more calm when I add details. The light on the clouds is warm. Keep comparing. I filled the entire canvas with paints now. The cloud above is actually the foreground. Pay more attention to the foreground to give depth to your painting. Compare the color of the sky with the color of the water. The sky is reflected in the water. I paint the glimpses of the bright sky between the clouds. It's time to do some edges. The edges of the clouds are soft and fluffy. I use light strokes with the side of the brush, barely touching the surface of the canvas. The light on the clouds is not completely white. Compare with a sheet of white paper. I'm adding details. The right colors are already on the palette. Sculpt the shape of the clouds using the colors that are already on the palette. There is no need for many details in the background. You just need a hint on the details. It seems that the sketch is finished, but something is missing. Some staffage is needed. I mark a shoreline using sticky tape. I paint a city with a few brush strokes. A flying bird can be a good focal point. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching.